Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cutty, yes sir, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right. Hey man, y'all see Big Shirley over there? Hey, boy, Mr. Built and Mrs. Built about to be riding again, son. Yes sir, man. I hope everybody doing good today, man. Yes sir, man. Hey, first of all, I want to say, God doggone happy birthday to my pops today. Yes sir. Happy birthday to the army. Yes sir. Hey, and tomorrow is Father's Day, man. Happy Father's Day to all y'all fathers out there, man. The real fathers now. The ones like us who be there every day. Know what I mean? The ones who really get the headache for real. The one who got to go running up and down the road and back and forth to the school and jump like that every day. The one that live under the roof with their churn every day. Well, hold up. Let me stop. Cause see, I know we got some fathers out there that really be trying. But y'all know what I mean. The real fathers. The fathers that take care of their responsibilities. That's what I mean. I ain't talking about the fathers who make a child and then goddamn, I'm out of here type shit. Nah. I'm talking about the real fathers. The ones who put in that work. The ones who put in that time. The one who put in that effort out you. Yes sir, man. Happy Father's Day to y'all, man. Hey, but we back out here in the garage on Sparrow, man. Yes sir, bro. I've been working behind the scene. But man, I've been working slow. How you say? Slowly but surely. See, I had to say that proper. Slowly but see, I was about to say surely. Damn. Hey, yeah, but I'm working out here slowly but surely, man. It's hot outside, man. So you know what I'm saying? You gotta do a little bit, take a break. Do a little bit more, take a break. Yes sir, man. Hey man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, if you're new to the channel, man, welcome. All our members out there, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all. All our support out there, man. I appreciate y'all. Yes sir, man. Let's get into the video. Yes sir. Y'all remember we had the driver side done. I did the fuel rail and the intake. But yeah, y'all remember it. Dang, I done get a little scratch on it already. It'll be covered up, don't worry about it. But yeah, man. Alright. We got that done. Now come on around. Y'all see it already. Y'all see it already. Now come on around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy. That joker they clean, boy. Yes, sir. Boy, I can't wait till I finish paint the rest of this joker, bro. I don't know what color I'm gonna do this shit. I don't know what color. Whatever color I do this, of course I'm gonna do the radiator, the sides of the radiator. I only painted the sides. I ain't painted the whatchamacallit. I'm about to call it the gill. It might be called a gill. But yeah, I ain't painted the front of it now. I just painted the sides of it. But I might either, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, man, y'all see what we got done. Right over there. Well, right over there. I painted this right here because I wasn't gonna paint the fuel rail, man. I was thinking about painting the fuel rail gold, but I was like, nah, cause alright, I already got the core pack gold. I just didn't want too much gold. I don't wanna do too much gold this time. You know what I mean? I don't wanna do too much gold. And then plus, remember I had this right here, so that's gonna eliminate some of the, you know what I mean, other different colors. But I don't want too much gold, man. Cause see, that gold ain't nothing but a pinstripe in the car. You know what I mean? The majority of everything else is burgundy. Car burgundy, the pinstripe is gold. Tire black. Well, I wouldn't say my windows black, not all of them. That one ain't black cause it's open. But yeah, man, y'all see it, the windows black though. So that's where we got the black, gold, and the burgundy. Hey, let me show y'all something else. Alright, now what color y'all think I should paint my intake cover? Y'all know I be calling it the hat. Yes sir. What color y'all think I should paint my hat? Of course I'm not gonna do the gold, cause that'd be too much gold. I mean I could, because alright, I got burgundy, gold, then black, and then it'll hit gold up at the top. But if I do that at the top of this, then I might as well hit all this right here gold. So I don't want to do that. So it's either between the burgundy or the black. I'm really thinking burgundy. I think I'm gonna hit it with the burgundy. But let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I mean? I like y'all input too. But I'm thinking burgundy, and then repaint my vortex gold. I mean, I said gold, back black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna paint this black. Paint this burgundy. I might paint this gold right here though. That way it won't be, you know what I mean, too much. So I might paint this right here gold, black, burgundy. Yes sir. But let me know what y'all think, man. And also, let me show you something else, man, that I'm thinking now. But I think y'all will like it too. Watch this. Yup, y'all see it? Boy, I had to go. Hey, hold on. Matter of fact, let me tell y'all one thing. I know how to spell sparrow. I just don't need the other R, because it's 2 R's. So I just copy this one. And then plus it's hard for me to draw R's, man. I ain't drawing so long, but yeah, man, y'all see it. Y'all see where I got it from. I had to draw, bro. I had to tap back into my artist skills. Yes, sir. Hey, well, y'all see it, bro. That joker, hold up, I got too much light on him. Y'all see it. That joker good, hey. That joker look good, bro. But I can't draw no R for nothing, boy. I hate writing R's, with capital R's. But yeah, y'all see it, boy. 84 Cuddy had to tap back into his artist skills. Hey, boy, I'm an artist. I cut hair. I draw. Man, I just create stuff, man. Ain't that what an artist do? Make whatever you create in your mind come to life. That's all an artist is. Yes, sir. But let me show y'all what I want to do with it. Alright, we back over here with the cover. So my plan is, when I paint this right here burgundy, go ahead and stamp me a sparrow on the side of it. What y'all think? Stamp sparrow right on the side of it. But of course I'm gonna cut the letters out. You know what I mean? So the spacing should be straight. If not, I'll make it fit. You know what I mean? But what y'all think? Have sparrow going down that joker. Now that I might paint and go. Yes sir. What y'all think, man? Drop down in the comments, man. Let me know. Hey, and let me know what y'all think about my artist skills. And like I said, I do know how to spell sparrow though. That is my father-in-law name. That is the name of my car. I know how to spell it. I just didn't need that R right there again, you know what I mean? Cause it's 2 on. And see, boy, I've been struggling, boy. I ain't even erased the line out the middle right there. But I ain't need to erase because I'm cutting it out from the outside. Yes, sir, man. But hey, y'all tap in, let me know, man. What y'all think about that? Hey, boy, 84 look like he got some skills under his belt in it. I ain't got no skills under my belt. I do got barbering for real. But man, it's real, like it's really like damn near like whatever I put my mind to, bro, like I'ma try it. I ain't scared to try stuff, man. That's all it is, man. Like I'ma try it, and if I get close to figuring it out, I'ma keep going. And then even sometimes if I don't get close to figuring it out, just depends on what it is, I'm definitely gonna keep going. Just depending on what it is, like if I'm just, you know what I'm saying, just trying something just to try it. If it don't work, maybe like 2-3 times after I try it, then I'm just leave it alone. But I tried. I'm just a trier, dog. I'ma try it, dog. I ain't scared to try it. That's how you learn, man. For real, you learn by trying. Especially that we got these projects and we going hands-on with it. These LS swaps and all of that right there. Like, man, like listen. Y'all don't have to make this LS swap junk hard at all. Y'all be making it hard on yourself, bro. Like, for real. Like, you can't do what the next person is doing, you know what I mean, in your situation. You know what I mean? Don't make the next man's situation your situation. Because y'all, you don't have to do the same thing them people doing. You know what I mean? Because see, like, even with these LS swaps, man, Did you know that these LS swaps run and did run while it was in the donor vehicle? Minus whatever else happened before, you know what I mean? Say that the head gasket blew or anything before that. Did you know it worked before that? So don't you know it's gonna work after that too? You know what I mean? Y'all be going too deep, man. Y'all be wanting to put big cam in them. Y'all want to put new intake on them. Y'all want to do harnesses, all of that stuff like that right there, man. Like, that motor come with your own stuff already. Why you going to buy it? Why are you going to purchase stuff that already comes with it, that already works with it, instead of dang on putting it in like that? Y'all go buy stuff and then trying to figure it out. You making it hard on your own. Put it in first, just like that right there, and then you will learn, you know what I mean, as you go, as far as like how stuff works and stuff like that. So like you can now, like how I'm doing, I can upgrade. Like I can upgrade my doggone wiring harness. I've been riding with this wiring harness for over a year. You know what I mean? Man, quit making these LS swaps so hard, bro. This junk is not hard. Y'all make it difficult by watching these people who's spending all this money, who's getting sponsored. Some of these people getting sponsored, man. Some people don't pay for this stuff. Some people already, man, some people locked in certain places, man. Y'all gotta look at that, man. Y'all watching what's on the front of y'all, in the front of y'all on y'all screen. Y'all don't know what's going on the other side of this camera. Oh, we came in. Y'all don't know what's going on the other side of this camera. Oh, I thought we were gonna do it again. But yeah, man, quit watching these people and following everything these people doing, bro. Most of these people don't even know nothing about LS swaps. I don't know nothing about LS swaps. And if I don't know something, it's certain things I know because I learned, I watch certain people. I don't watch everybody, man. I can't watch everybody because everybody be all across the place and then they don't teach you nothing. They don't show you nothing. They show you, all right, before they start, and then they show you how it look when it's over with. Man, you ain't show me dang on what that 10 millimeter that you had to use to dang on take whatever off. Cause it's a lot of 10 millimeters, either 10, 13s and 14s, stuff like that. Y'all know what I'm saying, but like still, you ain't showing me that. Like me, I'm breaking my joint down, bro. Like I be breaking my car down to show y'all stuff because I missed it in the beginning because I was just learning the LS swap. I was just watching somebody. Shout out, like I said, 87 SS boy, cause him and Car Films, when they pull that motor that they out that Tahoe, man, oh yeah, man, I cranked my Tahoe up that dang on last time, took it around the block cause I had the 15 that I got in here. Oh yeah, like I said, man, everything that come out my door in the vehicle is in this vehicle. Talk to me. But listen, I cranked that joke up, took it around the block, beat down the block a little bit so I can hear the music for the last time, and back that joke up in the backyard and snatch the engine up. Yeah, it took me a whole year before I actually built up the confidence because I couldn't find nobody to actually show me what I needed to see until I ran into the 87 SS boy, Willie Rebuild. Man, it's a few more people, bro. Like straight up, man. They showed me what I needed to do, like as far as like pulling the motor, installing the motor, and then I went over here, over there. I can't remember because I was all over the place. At the time, I wasn't thinking about nothing about being no content creator. All I was thinking about was LS swapping my car, just like I'm doing now. But now, being that I'm a content creator, I'm trying to show y'all the easy way to do this LS swap. Quit dang on breaking the bank. You ain't gotta do that, man. You ain't gotta do that. Some of y'all trying to dang on treat y'all LS swap dang on better than the Now let's say y'all had a donor vehicle like me. I had the Tahoe. Some of y'all treat y'all LS swap project better than, well, I'm gonna say the motor inside the LS swap better than it was when you had it in the Tahoe. You barely changed the oil, You barely changed that joker now. You barely changed transmission and transmission fluid and filter and stuff, And then another thing now, I be looking at y'all video now under the hood. Y'all got doggone coolant be orange. Why y'all showing off now? When it been in the truck, y'all had water in that joker. So why you ain't put no water in them now? Why are you using coolant now? Huh? Cause y'all watching and following other people. Quit doing that, bro. Be yourself. Learn this for yourself. Find you somebody that you can follow and get the right information, man. For real, man. Hey, man, y'all know who it is, man. Like I said, man, happy Father's Day, man. Hey, y'all see I got the camouflage on, man, for the Army. Happy birthday to the Army out here. Happy birthday to my pop. Hey, man. Hey, make sure y'all stay locked, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. And if you haven't, man, make sure you subscribe. Turn on all post notification bells now. Don't forget to do that. Hit that like button, man. Hey, stay locked to the next one, man. We out.